Let's look at a case study on company engaged in the operations of aircraft. GetSetGo Airways is engaged in the operation of aircraft. So the company is into operation and not rental. In any question that you get something like this, you have to be careful as to whether the company is engaged in the operation of aircraft or rental of aircraft. And leased certain aircraft from Going UK. During the year, the various payments made by GetSetGo Airways to Going UK were as under. So lease rentals for aircraft, the amount paid was 10 crores, the tax on that was 1 crore, and therefore the total payment towards the lease rental including taxes was 11 crores. Then there were certain payment for spares and services in connection with the operation of the leased aircraft. The total payment was 3 crores. The tax thereon was 1.2 crore and the total payment was 4.2 crores. Compute the exemption under section 10, if any, assuming both the agreements were entered into on 31/3/2007 and approved by the Indian government. Now, when we talk about the payments, there has to be a difference between the payment for lease rental and the payment for spares. Under the provisions of the Income Tax Act, section 10 subsection 6BB provides that tax paid by an Indian concern which is engaged in the operation of aircraft. Now in this case, GetSetGo is engaged in the operation of aircraft. For payment of lease charges, rental of an aircraft or engine of an aircraft to a foreign government or a foreign enterprise shall be exempt from tax under section 10(6)BB. What this means is that out of the taxes paid, so on lease rental, the total payment was 10 crores, 1 crore was taxes and 11 crore was the total payment. So this 1 crore of taxes which were paid on lease rental is something which is going to be exempt in the hands of the recipient Going UK under section 10 subsection 6BB. However, payment for providing spares or services in connection with the operation of leased aircraft or engine of an aircraft are not exempt from tax, which means that therefore the pay tax of rupees 1 crore for lease rental will be exempt, but 1.2 crore towards payment of spares and services in connection with the operation of leased aircraft shall not be exempt in the hands of Going UK. There's one more thing. It is only the tax component which we are talking about over here. The principal payment will have taxation as per the normal provisions of the Income Tax Act. Only the tax amount, that is something which is not going to be considered as a perquisite insofar as it relates to the tax on lease rentals for aircraft, and that too only when paid by a company which is engaged in operation of aircraft.